Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some breakfast, something that is quick and easy for my family. I'm going to be making some bacon, some scrambled eggs, and some pancakes. And let me tell you guys, it's going to be quick. So here are the ingredients. We have some blueberries, butter, sugar, turkey bacon, parsley, onion powder, sea salt, black pepper, olive oil, cream cheese, pancake mix. I am not making it from scratch. Water, whole milk, and some eggs. And I also have some onion. Okay guys, so this is gonna be a quick Saturday or Sunday breakfast that I'm gonna make for them. That is easy and you guys can make as well at home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support. So my goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys can help me out with that, I would really appreciate it. Now let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay, so first thing I'm going to start with is the mix for the pancake. So I am going to add this in a bowl and some water, because that's all that's needed. Okay, I'm telling you, it's gonna be easy. I don't have time today to do it from scratch. Okay, that's probably gonna be another video. So we're gonna go ahead and add this in a bowl and start mixing that up, and I'm gonna butter the pan. It has the instruction on the box if you want to follow the instructions, but I'm just gonna eyeball it because I'm used to making it. So I'm gonna eyeball the measurements. You guys can follow exactly what the box says, okay? And let me know some of the breakfasts that you guys normally make for your family. Do you guys put berries in your pancakes or bananas? Sometimes I do that as well, but today I'm just gonna make it regular without any fruits in it. But you're gonna see what I'm going to do with the blueberry. All right guys, so now that I've mixed this up together, let's go ahead and butter up the pan and put this on the stove. So we're gonna go ahead and add it in the pan that already has some butter in here. And sometimes I would put like berries, like blueberries or banana in it, but today I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with the blueberries though. Okay guys, so while the pancake is on the stove, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up some onions for the eggs. And you guys let me know, do you put onions in your scrambled eggs? Trust me, it is bomb. It gives it like a whole nother flavor. So my kids love it with the onions in the scrambled eggs. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that up to add it in there. Now let's go ahead and get right into that. So now I'm getting ready to go ahead and flip the pancake because you don't want it to burn. Nice and golden. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the eggs while the pancake is still cooking. So I have 6 eggs here. I have my onions. I'm going to add a spoon of cream cheese. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some onion powder. And to be honest, if you add onion powder and like parsley, you don't necessarily have to use salt. To me, it seasons the eggs really good. So some onion powder, some parsley. We're gonna add a pinch of black pepper to it. Then I'm gonna add some sea salt. And like I said, you don't necessarily have to add salt to it. You don't, but I am. That should be good. So now I'm gonna add the onions that I just cut up into the mix with the eggs and just throw them in. And when I tell you, I feel like onions give flavor for so many different things. Like even if you put in your macaroni and cheese, it doesn't taste oniony. It just gives it a flavor, good flavor. Onions taste good in eggs, okay? You can debate me about that. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add some whole milk and it's gonna make it nice and fluffy. Just a little bit, just kind of eyeball it. So now that everything is in here, I'm gonna go ahead and whisk it up together. And the cream cheese and the whole milk gives it a nice creaminess to it. And my kids love it, trust me. If your kids love it, it works. Okay guys, so here's the twist that I normally do. I make like a fresh syrup, like my own syrup. We're using fresh blueberries, or you can use strawberries. So basically just get some blueberries. I'm gonna put it on the stove with some butter and some sugar, and that's what the kids are gonna use as their syrup. Add some butter in here. And we're gonna go ahead and add the blueberries. Then we're gonna add some sugar. So while the blueberries is on the stove, I am going to go ahead and cut some turkey bacon, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the air fryer. Basically, this is something that you just have to be able to multitask, okay? Or multitask. And just grab a few pieces. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go ahead, the bacon is on, the blueberry sauce is still simmering. We're gonna go ahead now and put the eggs on the stove. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add the blueberry sauce, which is the syrup, on top of the pancakes.